Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Claude AI stuck on loading. Claude AI stuck in loading. Here's I will show you easy and simple step to how to fix it. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. Turn off your Wi-Fi for few seconds, then on again. Or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this help remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for the app. Tap on update option if it is available. And the other step is check server status. Make sure sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issues. Then the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting, then tap on apps or app management, then select the app or app list, then search for the app, then tap on storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary file causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store. And by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.